Okay, so here's the new CNC machine. See it down at the bottom, I've got the computer and the screen here, which is running a piece of software called Mach 3. Underneath, you'll see the motor controller. That's what controls the stepper motors. So here's the router and the piece of wood that I'm going to route in just a second. You'll see that there's a stepper motor on top that drives the screw that lifts and lowers the motor. Then there's a motor on this side that moves it back and forth in the y-axis. That would be z-axis right here. And then these two motors down at the end control the x-axis. So what I'm going to do first is turn on the router. This is going to get loud, sorry.